Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Airtel to Equity Bank. It's an easy and simple process that you have to follow the step by step that I have mentioned in this video. So watch till the end and let's get started. First, ensure you are using your Airtel line. Dial *334# on your phone to access the menu. Note this dial number *334#. Choose Pay Bill and Till Payments. Then select Airtel Pay Bill. Now go to Send Money to Bank. After this, select Equity. Enter the account number, your Equity Bank account number. Double check your account number for avoiding any type of mistakes. So, enter your account number perfectly and correctly for hassle-free transaction. Then key in the exact amount. Send money from Airtel Money to Equity Bank. Then enter your Airtel Money PIN to complete the transaction. Then after the perfect transaction, you will get a confirmation SMS on your mobile phone from Airtel, and also you will get an email from your Equity Bank. Hope you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.